guys, in this weekly recap, let's try to see how was my prediction, and later I will put a new prediction for next week. So let's start with the S&P 500. This is the SPY 4-hour chart. Open the scan. There it is. So we were here. We were here last week. And my prediction was that the S&P had, see if it's a lot of red, so let's choose another color, blue. We see the 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fifth push, and the fifth push, according to the Elliott wave theory, is the weakest, and probably after it, the reversal. My prediction was that the stock want to reach the target of 474, and it almost did on Monday. It reached 473.54. This is the highest. And then my prediction was that the reversal will be to the 466, and then another push to again to the 470, and then probably push to the 462. I didn't see enough power to push it to the 460, although it was doable. And we see on Friday a big gap down of the news, probably the COVID news or something like this. But even without the news, the stock want to push lower with a nice correction. And so it did. It pushed to the 460. It's resting now on the 457 on the 200 EMA. And what we see now, those two big red candle giving some sign for next week. We will talk about it, but you can already see this is lower, this is higher low, which means continuation, but this is higher high and this is lower high. So those are the range, and it broke the range to the downside, and we now don't have any divergence. So give you a heads up of what's going on. So with the SPY prediction, basically it did very nice, the push to the high, reversal for the 466, another attempt to push to the 470. So from Monday to Thursday perfectly, and then a big drop down to the 460 and below. So this is with the SPY. With the QQQs, basically I can leave the chart with the pen. You see the exact, although my prediction was that QQQ still have some power to the upside. But then, and also you can see it here, even though it made the same push of the Elliott wave theory. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the weakest. So we see here he push higher, and then big correction. So a lot of sellers came in and sold off. We see the bounce from the 395. Although with my prediction, I didn't talk about the reversal entries. So basically with the QQQs, let's say I was wrong because I wanted to go even higher, but it needs to bring the buyers the same as the S&P. But see what happened there. This is the low. This is something you should, if you are following me. This is a long continuation setup, so we need to wait to finish the setup. As you see, it needs to do something like this. So we need another small green candle, and then we have confirmation for the upside and probably for another move higher. But let's see. It's not my prediction yet, but it's doable. So with the QQQ, basically, I should anticipate the reversal. I think I talked about it, but I didn't give you any heads up from where and when. Tesla prediction was that, let's see, it goes up to the 1200 and then put some reversal from the the reversal. The target reach was the 1158 as it reached there, and then the 1200 it reached there, and then put the reversal. My key point for a downtrend was below the 1070, 1075. It did a spike, and see how it already, how it's very fast. This is the 4-hour chart, it bought. And then it did another spike at the opening and immediately bought. So a lot of buyer there, and see how it finished on Friday, giving people heads up of what's going on. So it closed 881. It didn't close below the 7950, which is a key level, as you see here. So I didn't like those candle, but what I did like, it's the immediately buying pressure which came when this target hit, which is very nice. So with Tesla also nice prediction. I even traded Tesla this week. We will see it later. With Apple, perfectly prediction. With Apple, the target was 165. See it on Monday, how it reached the target and sell off immediately, and the reversal also. The target for the reversal was 157. So very nice move. And for next week, see it here. It will need to do another red candle below this close. So even candles here don't break the 155, but we will talk about it later. So we can see another nice long continuation divergence. So Apple, very nice. BA or BA. BA behave nicely from Monday to Thursday. The key level for reversal was 208, 206, 205, because we saw the buyers coming in and see what happened. It made a nice divergence, but even with divergence, we need to find a good entry point. It doesn't mean when you see immediately the divergence, you buy. But we knew that from the 208, there will be a reversal. And the target was 212 and above to go higher. And then Friday, again, news, COVID, breakout again with the close of Europe. And now we see what happened in South Africa with new mutation of the COVID. So boom, fell and broke the 205, guys. And this is not a good sign for BA, because my prediction was that if BA broke and closed below the 205, it can reach the 150 for the longer term, guys. And this is what happened. So we have to see, and remember, this is a gap. This is a big gap of almost $8, even $10 if we take it from here, but this is a big gap, and BA don't like big gaps. You can see how it always attracted them in about 1 week. So it doesn't mean that it will reach on Monday, Tuesday. It can do lower, and then after a week came higher. So prepare for this gap fill. So this is BA. It was perfectly done, nice. If you trade it, I didn't trade it. I don't like to trade those small areas. Yeah, but even if you can buy it from the 208 with a grid candle, if you took a smaller time frame, you did nicely. So this was BA. Let's say 50% prediction correction, but Friday took me out. Facebook. With Facebook, now it's green. Let's change color. Blue, let's change color. With Facebook, we the same. We saw the push, the elite wave. This is the 5th push, where we knew there is some power, but and then it made reversal to the 332. So the reversal, anticipation, and prediction was nicely. See how it rests on the 332. Nothing much here with first Facebook. It's on a range now. And we'll talk about the prediction later. And SAVA, the last one of the stock with SAVA. A nice prediction, pretty much accurate. We finish here. We thought that the target area for SAVA is the 58.50. See how it reached and immediately sold off. And this is a target reached there. Now building a short continuation, but we have to see it's finished to build a short continuation. But if you wait for SAVA to hit the 51.40 and give you an entry, because you not always, let's put some lines here, we see, you not always immediately buy if you see, this is on Friday. So if it was open on Monday here, you don't immediately buy. You went for a low time frame and look for opportunity to buy. So this is the 22. Let's assume going to the first the 60. We need, this is here. We see the gap, so we're waiting for the gap to fill and see the reaction. Then what you have here is you have here a nice opportunity, and then you see, we see the short continuation in here, so we wait. This is a short continuation. See it, guys, short continuation. So you wait and you wait for it to finish, and then you come on the 33, and then you ask yourself, okay, what's happened? Okay, we see a nice continuation to the upside, long continuation. So from where I enter, above this candle, you enter. So if it bounce up, this is your stop loss. This is the entry point, and you got it 1 to 2. If you want a perfectly entry, you went to probably the 15 minutes on the 33. Let's erase. So on the 23, you ask yourself, okay, where is a nice entry? We see here reversal. This is a reversal, nice entry. So you can enter even here. And this is your stop loss. You can take it 1 to 2 here. Or if you put your final target at the 58 and put some, let's say, trailing stop. So it could took you out here, but this is why I hate a swing trade, because I don't know what will happen in the pre-market, on the post-market. So with the trailing stop, see what happened. 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 5, etc. So this is how you prepare for a nice trading. So let's sum it up. Basically, with the SPY, Tesla, Apple, Facebook, and SAVA, it was a good prediction, and to know where the stock and when the stock is gonna reverse, hit, and target. With the QQQ, I didn't give much information, but it basically went as the SPY went, and that's it for my prediction. The prediction helped me a lot when I'm trading. I had, I think, let me check my results. I put some, check it out from the 20 to right. Let's see. I think I have all green. Yeah, I traded LGVN, Tesla, and RIVN. 3 out of 3. Nice trading. It did very nice for this week, even above my average daily win. So this is it. So see you guys later with the next prediction for next week, and hope to see you guys later. Bye.